to my channel. Today I'm going to make the paktas. These are the ingredients what I'm going to use. To salt for taste, I put ginger, garlic, green chilies and 1 big onion and I crushed it. Curry powder, 2 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon coriander seed and 1 tablespoon of dhania seed here. I'll have to crush it. This is crushed pepper and pickle masala. 1 tablespoon tamarind. 1 cup gram flour. This is dhania, bay leaf, basil leaf, pudina, all are crusted. I put in this spice. I put in this crushed garlic and green chilies and big ginger here. I add in this one pickle masala with crushed chilies, and I have to put 4 tablespoons of this in this mixture. 1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons. I put in this turmeric inside here while it liquidized. I'm mixing it with the 1 cup of the gram flour. Adding in salt to taste. This pastry is a bit dry. I want to add in 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to apply this on the madubi leaves. I cleaned and washed these leaves. Now I'm going to roll these leaves and I'll wrap it with a cloth and put it to boil. It will take about 1 hour. You have to give it a good boil, very low heat. You seal the end like this with your finger. You seal it in nicely. It's closed. This side also you seal it in properly. There you go. I put 1 cup water in here. There's a rack here in this pot. Now I'm going to wrap it in here. I put it in the pot like this, wrapped with a cloth, and it will steam on its own slowly. So it will take 1 hour or 2 to steam it, very low heat. You can't cook it in fast heat. The patta is boiled. Let me open it. It's nice and soft and it binded well. You can see. I'll add in oil here, little oil, and I'll leave it to medium heat. While this is frying, I will make the puri to eat this with the puri. These are the ingredients for the puri. 1 cup self-raising flour, I put it in the bowl. And salt to taste. And half a cup boiled milk. Need half the flour to roll the puri. It must be slightly thick. It's a bit thick. This is too thick. But slightly thick it must be. I'm cooking the puris for the patha. Let's see now. Yeah, it's hot. Now, when you're eating, you have to put the other puri on top, like this, and squeeze your lemon in. There you go. Now my grandson will do the tasting.
It's really nice. The puri is crispy and the patha is spicy.
Thank you.
It's very nice.
Thank you for watching. Enjoy.